Hey tubes, it's September 19th and it's kind of chilly out today. It's like 60. So today, hopefully, we will be cold starting both tractors. Yes, I said both. Yesterday, I did a substantial amount of carburetor work on the Suburban 12, and then it ran out of gas. But I'm hoping if I put some gas in it today, it'll start up. I spent like an hour tuning the carb. This has been having a dead battery lately, so this might not actually start. But if it doesn't start, it's because of electrical problems. And I'm using my phone because my brother lost my camera, so this is all I've got right now. What a tank. Look at that. This is probably also going to need a jump. Damn it. Piece of crap. I can't wait till this thing's gone, to be perfectly honest. I'm going to try it anyway. Yeah, let's go get the jumpers. Tasty. Yeah, just doing a video, you know. Haven't done one in a few days. So I thought I'd treat you guys to a little something. Might be selling Suburban 12 soon, if I can actually get someone who can buy it and commit to buying it and not flake on me, because I hate flakers, because flakers suck dick. Fucking A. Too old to be doing this shit. This one goes there. This one goes here. Like that. And this one goes. Alright, Suburban 12, what are you going to do for us today? Absolutely nothing. I was hoping we weren't going to have to make this a two-part video, but I guess we will. So, be right back.